Imagine a world where your entire digital life is controlled by a single sleek band wrapped around your finger. No screens to stare at, no bulky watches weighing down your wrist, just seamless, invisible interaction with the technology all around you. For years, tech giants have been fighting for real estate on your wrist, your face, and your pockets. But right now, a secret war is being waged for the most valuable piece of personal real estate yet: your index finger. Apple is preparing to drop a device that could change everything. The rumors of an Apple ring have been circulating the tech world for a long time, but behind closed doors at Cupertino, those whispers have officially turned into a massive production push. This isn't just another accessory. This is a device designed to shift how you interact with reality itself. If you think the smartwatch was a game changer, this tiny piece of titanium is capable of much more. This tiny device might just convince you to leave your smartphone in your pocket for good. To understand the sheer scale of what is being built, look at the massive problem of screen fatigue. We are constantly bombarded by notifications, vibrating pockets, and glowing displays. The next major frontier in technology isn't adding more screens to our lives. It's making the existing ones disappear. This smart ring is designed to be the ultimate ambient tech device, something that sits quietly on your body, working perfectly in the background without demanding your visual attention. Inside that ultra-thin band is a marvel of modern engineering. Recent patent filings reveal a highly sophisticated network of biometrics, custom sensors, and haptic engines packed into a chassis no thicker than a standard wedding band. Health tracking is where this device plans to completely disrupt the market. The blood vessels in your fingers are much closer to the surface of the skin than those in your wrist. This means a smart ring can capture significantly more accurate data for heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, and sleep tracking. Imagine getting medical-grade biometric feedback while you sleep without the annoyance of a bulky watch strap rubbing against your skin. There is an advanced sleep coaching algorithm in development that doesn't just tell you how you slept, but dynamically adjusts your morning routine, your lighting, and your smart home ecosystem based on your recovery scores. The real magic is how it handles control. This isn't just a passive fitness tracker. It is a master key for an entire digital ecosystem. The smart ring features a highly advanced gesture control system powered by a custom ultra-wideband chip. You walk into your living room, point your finger at your television, and with a simple flick of your wrist, you're scrolling through movies. You walk up to your smart front door, and before you even touch the handle, the ring communicates with the lock, verifies your identity via continuous biometric scanning, and unlocks it for you. It gets even more powerful when connected to augmented reality and spatial computing. Right now, typing and navigating in virtual space can feel clumsy. The ring acts as the ultimate precision controller for spatial computing. By using micro-gestures, like tapping your thumb and index finger together or drawing a circle in the air, you can manipulate complex three-dimensional objects, type on a virtual keyboard on any flat surface, or navigate expansive digital worlds with absolute pinpoint accuracy. It turns your hand into the mouse and the air into your desktop. Jewelry is deeply personal. Unlike a smartwatch, which people accept as a piece of technology, a ring has to look like fine jewelry. Engineering teams are working with a high-grade titanium alloy that is not only incredibly lightweight, but virtually scratch-proof. It will come in a variety of premium finishes to match your style, ranging from a matte space gray to a polished gold and silver. To handle the issue of different finger sizes, a specialized sizing kit process ensures a perfectly snug fit for every single user, ensuring the internal sensors remain flush against the skin for uninterrupted data collection. To interact with a device that has no screen, advanced haptic feedback technology is used. The ring will communicate using microscopic, precise vibrations. A light pulse on the left side of your finger could mean you have an urgent message. A rhythmic tapping could signify that your ride shares have arrived. It is a completely silent, private language between you and your device. No one else in the room will hear it, and no one will see a screen light up. It keeps you completely present in the real world while keeping you subtly informed. Building a device. This small comes with monumental challenges, and the biggest one is battery life. Powering an ultra-wideband chip, continuous health sensors, and a haptic engine in a chassis that weighs less than 5 grams requires a total rethink of power dynamics. The engineering team has utilized a curved, solid-state battery architecture that wraps around the inner circumference of the ring. Because there is no power-hungry display to light up, early test models are achieving an impressive 3 to 5 days of continuous battery life on a single charge. When it does run low, you simply drop it onto a sleek, magnetic charging dock that looks like a premium jewelry box on your nightstand. A device that constantly tracks your biometrics and controls your smart home needs absolute security. A new security protocol tentatively called Skin ID measures the unique vascular patterns of your blood vessels and the unique electrical impedance of your skin the moment you slip the ring onto your finger. If someone else takes your ring and puts it on, it instantly locks down, wiping its access keys until it is reunited with its rightful owner. This means your digital identity stays entirely yours, protected by a biological password that cannot be duplicated or forged. The implications for this technology are staggering. We are looking at the beginning of the post-smartphone era. This smart ring is the bridge that allows us to step away from glowing rectangles and interact with the world naturally. It is elegant, it is incredibly powerful, and it represents the pinnacle of modern ecosystem integration. The tech world has been waiting for a true disruptor to shake things up, and all signs point to this being the next major product category that defines the decade. If you love staying ahead of the curve on the future of technology and want to be the first to know when the latest innovations drop, make sure to subscribe to Tap Tech, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. We closely track the cutting edge of the tech industry, and you won't want to miss our deep dives into the devices shaping tomorrow. Drop a comment below and let us know if you would replace your smartwatch with a smart ring or if you think screens are here to stay. Thank you for watching Tap Tech, and we will see you in the very next video.